We're at the pet wash. Tractor Supply. What are you doing? She wants a trash can.
Oakley, you ready, girl? Oh, is this a ramp for him to go up there?
Probably. So you don't have to lift her. She's getting a bath. She stinks. She skunked us out the entire ride here. Looks like... Oh.
Here. Oakley, come on.
She's like, I'm not going up that. You should have brought treats in or something. No.
What's in there?
Towels. What? Dirty towels. Where's a clean towel even at? They look dirty. Ogre's like, yeah, look at me. You're in the bathtub. She's like, what is this? What are you doing to me?
Oh, yeah. You're gonna help me with the soap.
What one do you want? Sensitive skin, oatmeal, citrus. Ah, this one she needs. Deodorant.
There's like nothing left in it.
Probably because everyone's dog stinks.
Look under there and see if there's any more of that.
No, there's just, well, no, just oatmeal. Yeah, it looks like citrus.
Dude, I might need you to pump it on here. And I need that brush. Give me that brush.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. Huh.
I'm gonna show that off. Okay. That's what I like about having a girl. I don't have to worry about touching anything.
Really? I thought she was licking it for a second. I was like, what? Doggy needs lots of soap.
She likes this one. She's trying to lick it.
Hi! Oh, she just kissed it. She's like, dry those nails off. Dry them off.
What's
Huh.
ready? Shake. Shake. Good girl.
Look at her new outfit.
Did you find your collar?
You have to go look. She said, look at my outfit. Am I cute? She feels like a whole new doggy. Oakley.